Imagine exploring the backwaters of Kerala or the forts of Rajasthan, all from your living room in Paris or Tokyo. Welcome to the future of travel, virtual tourism. It's not just a trend, it's a booming opportunity for entrepreneurs who want to blend technology with the magic of travel. India, with its rich heritage and diverse landscapes, is perfectly positioned for this digital transformation. And now, with AR/VR tech, 360-degree content, and global demand for immersive experiences, starting a virtual tourism business in India has never been more exciting or profitable. In this video, I'll take you through a complete roadmap on how to launch your virtual tourism venture in India. Here's what we'll cover. Target audience, market research and analysis, marketing and sales strategy, financial planning, costing, funding and investment options, company incorporation and legalities, supporting documents, and how our organization, Market Research Universe, can support you. So let's dive in. Stick around with us, as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. Before you shoot your first 360 degrees video or design your app, you need to know who you're building this for. Virtual tourism isn't just for curious travelers. It caters to foreign tourists who want to preview India before visiting, senior citizens and differently abled individuals who can't travel, students and researchers looking for educational tours, corporate clients exploring virtual retreats or team events, schools and colleges interested in virtual field trips, destination wedding planners and event organizers scouting locations. Identifying your audience helps you design better content, pricing, and marketing strategies. The virtual tourism market is exploding globally, with projections exceeding $20 billion by 2030. In India, the growth is fueled by rising smartphone and internet penetration, tech-savvy Gen Z and millennials, post-COVID demand for remote experiences. Use tools like Google Trends, Statista, and surveys to understand what kind of experiences are trending, like spiritual tours, cultural trails, or even haunted locations. Also, analyze competitors. Players like Trawell.in and Airpano can offer insights into what's working. And don't forget to assess the tech landscape. What's the cost and accessibility of VR, drones, and 360 degrees gear? Your content is your product, but your marketing is the engine. Use social media, especially Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts, to share highlights. Partner with travel influencers to showcase your virtual tours. Launch a blog or podcast to drive SEO and engagement. Run Google ads for keywords like virtual Taj Mahal tour or online India heritage walk. For revenue, consider these models: subscriptions for unlimited tours, one-time ticketing for specific destinations, corporate packages for educational institutions or companies. Also, build partnerships with tourism boards, schools, and travel agencies for B2B deals. Let's talk money. Here's an estimated startup budget. Website and app, 2 to 5 lakhs. VR gear and 360 degrees cameras, 3 to 10 lakhs. Content production, 1 to 3 lakhs per month. Marketing, 50,000 to 1 lakh per month. Salaries, 1.5 to 3 lakhs per month. That's a total initial investment of 10 to 25 lakhs, depending on your scale. You can always start lean, with freelancers, basic gear, and focus on 1 to 2 destinations first. Once your MVP is ready, look at these funding options. Bootstrapping, great for early testing. Angel investors, especially those with travel tech interest. Startup India Seed Fund for innovative tech-based ventures. Crowdfunding via Keto or Kickstarter. MSME loans and government subsidies if registered. Investors will look for traction, content quality, and scalability, so focus on building a great prototype early. Time to make it official. Choose the right legal structure. Sole proprietorship if you're going solo, LLP for co-founders, and private limited if you're planning to raise capital. Register via MCA, apply for GST, PAN, and if using drones, get DGCA approval. You may also want to trademark your brand and get Tourism Board certification for added credibility. Here's a checklist of documents you'll need. Business plan and pitch deck. PAN, GST incorporation. Certificates, invoices for tech equipment, service agreements and NDAs. Drone usage licenses, if applicable, vendor mouse and contracts. These documents also help during fundraising, partnerships and legal vetting. Starting a virtual tourism business involves tech, content, marketing, finance, and market intelligence. That's where we come in. At Market Research Universe, we offer tailored market research reports, competitor and demand analysis, tech and content strategy consulting, investor pitch decks and financial models, legal and compliance guidance. We help you go from idea to execution, backed by data and strategy. So whether you're a travel enthusiast, a tech entrepreneur, or an educator, virtual tourism in India is your gateway to building a scalable, impactful business. The world wants to experience India, and you can bring it to them. Thanks for watching this roadmap to success. Ready to start your journey? Let's build it, virtually.
Every great success story begins with a vision. But what if you had a roadmap to turn that vision into reality? Introducing MRU Navigator for Business Planning, your go-to-market platform for startup business planning, real-time startup market trends, forecasts, competitors, opportunity, and business niche tracking. Imagine this. You're standing at the starting line of your business journey. What if you already knew where the hurdles were? What if you had a strategy before you even took your first step? That's exactly what MRU Navigator for Business Planning does. It gives you a clear, data-driven roadmap to navigate the startup world with confidence. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, MRU Navigator gives you the power of foresight with business plan reports and templates, ready to use, professionally designed to fast-track your startup journey, real-time market trends, dashboard, stay ahead of industry shifts and make informed decisions, competitor and opportunity analysis, identify gaps, analyze competition, and uncover hidden opportunities, business niche tracking, spot emerging trends before they explode into the mainstream. Your success isn't a matter of chance, it's a matter of the right plan. Let MRU Navigator for Business Planning be the launchpad to your entrepreneurial dream. Your startup's journey begins with the right plan. Start with MRU Navigator for Business Planning for real-time market trends, opportunities, and business niche tracking. So what are you waiting for? Sign up your free account today.